Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Gap employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Gap employee login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as gapinc.com. In my case, it's the second one, so tap on it. Now scroll down a little till you find this section, existing employees. Now to log into your employee account, tap on Workday Login. Now tap on Accept and Continue. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your employee account. So type your username in the text field given for your username. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, you can do so by tapping on this text Forgot Password. You can also check this box that says Remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now to log into your account, simply tap on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.